reports, in which you can manage the report of the employees, which will be automated report compilation. So let's see how to manage it and how to deal with it. Just click on report. In this you will get two sections like visitor reports and field report. First click on visitor reports. In this you can see the report of visitors where the employees have visited for the meeting. This is basically for the salesperson who are working on the field. So you can see every information which has been added by the employees. In this you can see everything here: the first name of the visitor, last name, phone, email, status. You can see everything here. And the next is field report. Just click on this. In this you can see the report of your employee. Like in this you can evaluate the performance of the employees, and you can track also. Like just click on view report. In this you can view every report of your employee. You can see the notes here, the picture and the location, everything. You can track from the employees from here.